So the seller sent me these tactical work pants to try on for you, and I'm glad they did because they are really comfortable and there is a ton of different purposes you could use these pants for. So I work music festivals and I need to wear black pants because I have to have my radio, my keys, and all other stuff that are on me at all times. And these pants check everything off the box. There's plenty of pockets. You have two up front, a little hook for your keys. You have two zippers that are in front of your cargo pockets that are on the front. And then you have two deep pockets that are super deep on the back that are also Velcro, and then a smaller pocket over here. When you do put them on, there's a little bit of elastic on the right and the left side for movement. And you can see how I could bend easily in these. Overall, they are a great product for anybody looking to upgrade their tactical pants today. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Go out, grab yours. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your purchase.